Look, what is this? Haha, the store has new arrivals. The country's first mixed reality headset, Vivo Vive Frontier. Unboxing. The overall appearance, both in terms of technology and texture, is very good, and it is much lighter to hold than other headset devices. As the first mixed reality device in the country, it can achieve spatial imaging, seamlessly connecting from shooting to viewing, opening the era of full-process spatial imaging from recording to immersion. Vivo Vive has gradually arrived in stores.
Vivo fans who are interested and want to experience it can message me privately